machines down 8 or more, a whole row of top-load washers and Maytag. This isn't the worst store I've ever seen. It has double-stack tumblers, which is what we call dryers. Not the end of the world, but they're trying to sell the business or the building or just the building.
The building, including the business.
Sure. All right, I'm going to try the first number first. Stand by. Looking for Khim?
Who's speaking?
Danny. My name's Danny D'Angelo. I'm calling about your business for sale here in Tucson.
Oh, okay. Okay. Can you call me as a surprise? Miss Kim, who's this? Okay.
Sure. Well, we don't know each other quite yet. The
Okay,
Laundromat, Kim, I'm interested in discussing a long-term lease in the Laundromat space.
Laundromat?
Correct.
That's all you want?
Well, I don't run bridal stores. I don't know anything about it. I don't want to buy the building. I'd like to discuss a long-term lease so that I can spend a few $100,000 on washers and dryers, and then you can sell your building, sell it to an investor that wants a good long-term operator in place.
Yes.
I want to give you a rent check.
No, for now.
For now, you want to go ahead and wait and see if you can sell the building and a bridal shop and a laundromat all for one money, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Who do you think is going to do that? Let's be realistic. I wish I knew.
It's not a big deal. I don't have a couple thousand from you. I don't need that.
Sure. No, you don't need that. You don't need that.
I even throw prices up. I don't care. I own the
don't
building.
Care.
I do have money from somewhere else too. I don't need your money.
No.
Okay,
you don't
and
need
I
my
don't
money.
want you to give me the idea. You know, if you have $10 million, you come show me how you make the $10 million. But you don't have
I have a website. Would you like to look at it?
What's that?
I have a website. I'll show you how I've made $10 million in the past 13 years.
No, I don't need to.
You just asked me.
You know, when you talk to me like this, I call you as a jerk, okay?
Yes, I am as a jerk. How did I talk to you? God bless you. You speak at least 2 languages. I have the utmost respect for you. You don't?
No, I don't?
How many languages do you speak?
Somebody come and tell me what to do and do that. You probably the one that talked to the real estate and won a piece of dirt, right?
This is the first phone number. Kim, this is the first call I've ever made. I didn't speak to anybody. No.
Okay. Because, you know, it's not a piece of dirt. It's still money in there. Okay? And I don't...
Well, a second ago, I appreciate you. You sound like you're yelling at me now and you want to slam the phone down. Let's not do that. Let's back up.
Bye.
If you want... Sorry. Bye. She said bye. So what did you hear in that call?
An angry lady, frustrated with how things is running with her business. That's what it sounds like to me.
Come on, that was my fault, obviously. I'm the one who did that. I'm the one that wound her up, right?
No way. She was already. That's just how she is. From the reviews I read online, from the bridal reviews to the laundromat reviews, that everything I read about was actually just showed right there through that conversation. They said that she'd be entirely rude with everybody all the time and telling them they could get out her store. You know.
Wow.
Yeah, when they was coming in there to try to buy dresses for the weddings and, you know, things like that, prom.
I don't need your money. You make $10 million. You tell me how.
That's right.
I was trying to tell her.
She was a character. I don't even know where all that came from.
I was just giving her an option. I wasn't telling her what to do.
Nope. Didn't even get a chance to even discuss it.
Well, I like her. I'm going to have her over for Christmas dinner next year. Keep this one on the radar and keep a very close physical eye on the bridal shop, the laundromat, and how they all fit together.
Okay.
If more equipment goes out of order, we'll call her back. If they put up a different sign that says for sale in the glass, we'll call her back. She was accusing me of calling her a real estate agent and doing this and that and the other. Well,
right.
Lady, first call I made, lady. Great fun. You made it to the call club. Congratulations.
Appreciate it. Thank you.
I'll let you know when we hear back from the other guy. Get some sleep. Don't let this keep you awake at night.
That's right. Appreciate you, Danny.
Khim is on my Christmas list. Talk to you soon.
All right. Have a good one.